Hi guys, welcome to Selenium Automation Testing. So today in this video we are going to learn how to handle alerts, okay, or we can say how to handle pop-up. So as you can see on the screen, this is the website which is specially created for the automation testing purpose. There are some text boxes, drop downs, forms are there, barcode sticker also there. So in my previous upcoming videos I will also cover how to scan a barcode sticker, and in this video we are going to learn how to handle alert, or we can say pop-up. Okay, so especially JavaScript alert or any type of pop-up is means we are not able to inspect. Okay, means if I need to enter some value in this text box, so what I do, I will just right click on the text box, right, and I will click on the inspect. So by inspecting I will get some attributes, and based on the attribute I will create the expert and I will automate the text box. But as you can see here, this is the example of JavaScript alert or pop-up. Okay, so when I click on this button, when I click on the click me button, okay, so as you can see here, this is the pop-up. Okay, and now there is no message. Okay, so this is the JavaScript alert, or we can say pop-up. So if I need to click on the OK button, so basically what should I need to do? I need to right click on the OK button. Okay, but actually I'm pressing the right key, but okay, and I'm clicking on the right click right now after mouse hovering on the cancel button. But as I already said, we are not able to inspect alert. Okay, so I need to click on the OK, but I am not able to inspect this OK button or cancel button. But when I click on the OK, are you able to see this message? You pressed OK. Let me click on one more time, and when I click on the cancel, so the message is you pressed cancel and OK again. Okay, so this is the example, but the problem is I am not able to inspect alert. So how to handle alert in a Selenium? So to handle alert in a Selenium provide one interface whose name is itself alert. Okay, so let me create the basic setup from launching the browser to launch the URL with the timeout, and paste me over here, Ctrl Shift F to arrange your code in a proper way. And now this time our URL is this one. So let me paste over here, Control paste, and as you know, after clicking on this click me button, the alert will be appear. Okay, first thing is we need to click on the click me button. So first thing is just inspect this element. So as I say in each and every video, we are going to find the web element on the web page. So we need to take help from the web element interface. Okay, so we use web element, just a minute, web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath. Okay, and after inspecting the click me button, we are going to click, so we use element dot click method is there. Now it's time to inspect the click me button. So just right click on the click me button and click on the inspect. Click me is a normal button, so we are able to inspect, but the alert we are not able to inspect alert. Okay, so just a minute, this is the attribute of the click me button. It contains only one attribute, which is on click, and this is the functionality. So let me inspect. So just press Ctrl and F, and the button comes under the button tag. So let's jump into the document. So we use double forward slash and then tag name. Tag name is button. Inside the square braces we use attribute. So we use @keyword. Attribute name is on click is equal to the value of on click attribute is my function and parenthesis. Okay, so we are able to find one of one. Okay, so this is the X path. Just copy and paste here. Okay, Control Shift F and Control save. So now, as you know, after clicking on this click me button, let me close this one. So as you know, after clicking on the click me button, if I need to click on the OK button, so I am not able to inspect. Okay, I am just right clicking right now, but I am not able to inspect OK button. So how to click on the OK button, because we are not able to inspect. Okay, so to handle this type of pop-up JavaScript alert, or we can say JavaScript pop-up, we need to take help from the alert interface, which is comes from the Selenium. Okay, so now let me click on the OK. Now our cursor is on this screen, this one, but when I click on this click me button, okay, it comes from this is the different window. This is the parent window, and when I click on the click me button, one child window will be appear. So first thing is I need to switch from this parent window. This is the parent window. I need to take my control from parent window to this child window. So first thing is we need to switch our control from parent to child. So okay, code for handle JavaScript alert, or we can say pop-up. Okay, so first thing is just take your control from this parent window to this child window, and we know this is the alert, so we use driver dot, we are going to switch our control from parent to child, so we use driver dot switch to, and the name of the child window is alert, so we use driver dot switch to alert method is there. Okay, so this sentence is used to switch our main focus, because at the starting our control is on this page, but when I click on the click me, the new child tab will be, the new child window will be open. Okay, so when if I need to click on this button, first thing is we need to take the control from here to here. Okay, so this line is used to switch the control from parent to child. Okay, switch the control from parent to child. Okay, and this method will return alert. Okay, so we create an object of the alert interface, not object, just a reference variable, because we are not able to create an object of the interface. And I said already alert is an interface in a Selenium, so we use alert. As I said, alert is interface which comes from the Selenium, so we use alert is equal to driver dot switch to alert. Okay, so this is the reference variable, and there are only 4 methods inside the alert interface. I will show you. The first thing is if I need to click on the OK button. OK means I am accepting something, so alert interface provide one method, alert dot accept method is there. Accept method will click on OK button. Okay, this will click on the OK button. If I need to click on the cancel button, means I am dismissing. So alert interface will provide one more method, which is alert dot dismiss. Okay, it will click on cancel button. Okay, now third method is alert dot send keys. Sometimes what happens, some alert is like we need to send some value into alert, so anything xyz, it will, just a minute, okay, it will send key into alerts text box. And the last method is alert dot get text, means we need to get the text of the alert. In this example, the text of the pop-up of alert is this one. Okay, so we use alert dot get text. So this is the method. It will return text of alert, or we can say pop-up. So this is the only 4 possible method, means we are able to perform only these 4 operations. Okay, so in this video, after clicking on the click me button, I will click on the, okay, first of all I will click on the click me button, and then I will get the text of the alert and print on the console, and then I will click on the OK button. Okay, and let me refresh one more time. I will show you. It will better to refresh, and I will show you one more time. Just a minute. Okay, so as you can see here, there is no message. Okay, but when I click on the click me, and if I click on the OK button, so one message will be appear, you pressed OK button. Okay, so this is as a proof that we are able to click on the OK or cancel button. So in this example, we are, let me comment out this, control shift comment, control save, and we print the text of the alert. So we use system dot out dot println, and we use alert dot get text. Text of alert. Okay, it will get the text of the alert, and after getting the text, we are going to click on the OK button. So we use alert dot accept method is there. Okay, control shift F and control save. So after launching the Chrome, after maximizing the screen provided the weight, we are going to launch this URL. After launching the URL, we are going to click on the button, this one. Which one? Click me button. And after clicking the button, we know that one alert will be appear. So we are going to get the text of the alert. So we use alert dot get text method, and then we are going to click on the OK button. So as I said here, if we need to click on the OK button, we need to use this method, alert dot accept. Okay, let me save and let me run. It will launch Chrome, maximize screen, launch our URL. It will print the text of the alert in our console, and then click on the OK button. So let's wait for the execution. It will take few minutes because I will going to launch this for the first time for today. Wait few seconds guys, it will take some time, otherwise I will pause the video and restart. Okay, just a minute guys, I will pause the video and will resume. Hi guys, actually it was my mistake. I have not called this method. Okay, it was my mistake. Let me save. Now I will run this one. Let me click on the run. This is the method name handle alert. Okay, as you can see on the console, the execution is started now. It will launch Chrome. Okay, Chrome launched. It will maximize, then launch our URL. It will click on the click me button and then click on the OK. Okay, so as you can see here, we are able to successfully click on the OK button. You pressed OK, right? Let me close this. Text of alert is press a button. Okay, let me click on the cancel button. So we use alert dot dismiss and let me save. At this time it will print you pressed cancel button or you press cancel. It will click on the click me. Okay, able to see you pressed cancel. Let me close, and the text of the alert or pop-up is press a button. So by using this 4 method you are able to handle any type of pop-up in the sense we are not able to inspect. Okay, if I click on this OK button, I am not able to inspect. So we are done with the first type of alert, JavaScript alert. Now the second one is I will cover in the previous video, in upcoming videos, window pop-up. I will show an example of window pop-up. Window pop-up in the sense, when I click on this button, choose file, okay, so this window will be appear. So again I need to switch the window because Selenium does not allow to handle non-HTML window. Okay, this is the part of your system, your computer, your laptop. Okay, so Selenium, the main disadvantage of Selenium is Selenium does not allow to handle non-HTML window, and this is the non-HTML window. So to handle this type of alert or pop-up, just like file upload pop-up, we need to take help from the auto IT or securely. Okay, I will create one video for this one also. So this is the window pop-up. Okay, and the third one is this is the file upload pop-up, and this one is window pop-up. So sometimes what happen guys, when I click on some button, actually there are no example of this in this video, in this website. So when I click on this some particular button, new tab will be appear. So again we need to switch our control from parent to child. Okay, so I will cover in upcoming videos. So this is the example for how to handle JavaScript alert or pop-up. Okay, to handle alert there are only 4 possible methods. If we need to click on the OK button, we use alert.accept. If we need to click on the cancel button, okay, on cancel button, so alert.dismiss is there. And if we need to send some value, so alert.send keys is there. And if you need to get text of the alert, so alert.getText method is there. Okay, so I hope guys you get some idea from this video. I will publish this code in my blog also. So if you need some help, so just open my blog and get this code from the blogger. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will create some new video for the window pop-up and file upload pop-up. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. The main aim of this video is to able to handle alert, okay, which is I already covered. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Thank you.